Good morning, friends. What a pleasant day. Today I have the MacBook Pro M5. I got it from work with a new keyboard. This MacBook Pro is the M5 chip, so it's the base, nothing fancy here. 32 gigs of RAM and 1 terabyte of storage. Okay, brace yourselves. So now I have actually two MacBook Pros. We have this one, which is the M1 Max, just the M5 chip, MacBook Pro M5 chip, 32 gigs of RAM, 1 terabyte of storage. Again, M1 Max, 64 gigs of RAM, 2 terabyte of storage, and the base M5, 32 gigs of RAM, and 1 terabyte. I have both of them. One is my personal, and the other one is the work. I'm gonna have both for at least a couple of weeks, 3 weeks. I'm not sure when I'm gonna sell my M1 Max, but if you wanna do some testing, I still have it for 3 more weeks or more. I don't know how long I'm gonna keep it, but here they are. If you need some testing, if you have an application you would like to test how it's gonna perform, let me know. We'll test it for you, and win-win situation. Very small. I thought it's gonna come with the bigger one. Anyway, doesn't matter. One of the things that I was worried about is the fingerprint. Like, look here. I literally just got it off the box and I didn't even open it yet, and you can see the fingerprints. This is gonna take me some time to clean it up. Anyway, see you in a bit.